Hello students, in today's session of NCERT Chapter, Binomial Theorem, class 11 Physics, very basics will be cleared further using illustrations taken from NCERT Miscellaneous Exercise, Chapter 8. In earlier session, we have gone through this. In this case, concept were cleared by using the illustrations from JEE Main previous year question, and in this case, illustration were taken from NCERT exercise 8.1, NCERT exercise 8.2. In today's session, we are going to discuss miscellaneous exercise along with clear-cut concept. As the session is going to be very important, it is requested to go through the session completely. Now, let's start with the question and concept. Question is, find a, b and n in the expansion of a plus b की power n is the first three terms of the expansions are 729, 7290, 30375. Question is taken from miscellaneous exercise of binomial theorem. Concept applicable in solution. This is the expansion for a plus b की power n. You have to pick up first three terms. This term, and this term. According to question, first term is NC0, a की power n, b की power 0, that is 729. Then NC1, a की power n minus 1, b 7290. Third, NC2, a की power n minus 2, b square. That comes out to be 30375. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. First three terms pick up according to the question. Now we have to solve these three equations to find value of a, value of b and value of n. To solve it, let 1 divided by 2. NC0 की value 1, a की power n divided by NC1, a की power n minus 1 into b equal to 729 upon 7290. That is 1 by 10. If we simplify it, this will consider a, नीचे की वैल्यू आएगी 1 over a over and b equal to 1 by 10. So that is and a by b equal to n by 10. Right? A by b equal to 10 by 10. Now, 2 divided by 3 means NC1, a की power n minus 1, NC1 a की power n minus 1, B1 divided by NC2 a की power n minus 2, b की power 2 equal to 7290 divided by 30375. Now further to calculate, simplify it. On further simplification, in lowest possible form, this comes out to be 6 by 25. On further simplification, NC1 की value n, a की power n minus 1 into b upon NC2 n minus 1 by 2, a की power n minus 2 b equal to 6 by 25. On simplification, this and this one goes, ये a बचेगा, ये b बचेगा. So twice a upon b, twice a upon b upon n minus 1 equal to 6 by 25. इक्वेशन इसको बी मार्क कर दिया एंड एक इक्वेशन थी हमारी, फिर दिस इक्वेशन ए by b equal to 10 from equation a by b equal to n by 10, substituting in equation b, so 2 over n minus 1 into a by b n by 10 equal to 6 by 25. This 5 6n minus 6 equal to 6n minus 6 equal to 5n, so n comes out to be 6, n की वैल्यू आ गई 6. Now from equation 1 क्या है? Equation 1 is NC0 a की power n, NC0 a की power n equal to 729. That is 1 into a की power 6 equal to, that comes out to be 3 की power 6. So a comes out to be 3. Now from equation b a by b equal to क्या था हमारा n by 10. a by b equal to n by 10. a की वैल्यू 3, b equal to 6 by 10. 2, 5, b comes out to be 5. So this is b5, a3 and n equal to 6. All the values are known to you, right? Next question. Question is, find a, if the coefficient of x square and x cube in the expansion of 3 plus ax to the power 9 are equal. Question is taken from Miscellaneous Exercise NCERT. Concept applicable in solution. General term formula is, this is the general term formula, that is TR plus 1 equal to NCR a की power n minus r b की power r, right? Expansion is 3 plus ax, 3 plus ax की power 9. Then a is 3, here a is 3, b is ax n equal to 9, right? And to have coefficient of x square and to have coefficient of x cube. First of all, writing TR plus 1 will be equal to 9CR a की power 9 minus r a की power r into x की power r. So from this we can have, to have coefficient of r equal to 2. Third term will be having coefficient of it, that is 9C2 3 की power 9 minus 2 7 into a की power 2. To have coefficient of x cube, r should be equal to 3, that will be 4. Fourth sum 9C3 3 की power आ जाएगा, 3 पुट किया 6 a cube x cube x square. According to question coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of x cube means 9C2 3 की power 7 into a square equal to 9c3 3 की पावर 6 इंटू ए क्यूब। सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं इसको। फैक्टोरियल 9 ओवर फैक्टोरियल 7 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 2 इंटू 3 की पावर 7। This goes balance with a 9 factorial into factorial 6 into factorial 3 into c की पावर 6 into a। ये 3 रह गया। अब इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई किया, 9 से 9 फैक्टोरियल कट गया, ये 7 बचा, 6 फैक्टोरियल कट गया, तो रिमेनिंग इज 3/7 into 2 equal to a/6. 3 a comes out to be 9/7. That is the answer. Right? Now question. Question is, find the coefficient of x to the power 5 in the product of 1 plus 2x to the power 6 into 1 minus x to the power 6. Question is taken from NCERT Exercise Miscellaneous on Binomial Theorem. Concept applicable and solution. In this case, we will use this expansion first. 1 plus 2x, 2x to the power 6, 1 minus x to the power 7. What will happen? If we expand it, 6 is 0, 1 की पावर 1 रहेगी, तो 2x की पावर 0 plus 6c1, 2x की पावर 1 plus 6c2, 2x की पावर 2 plus 6c3, 2x की पावर 2, 3 plus 6c4, 2x की पावर 4 plus 6c5, 2x की पावर 5. एक्चुअल टर्म तो 6 तक जाएगा, बट आवर रिक्वायरमेंट इज टू फाइंड द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x की पावर है इनटू 1 की पावर 1 रहेगी, 7c0, 1 plus that comes out to 7c0 plus 7c1, 7c1, 7c0 into 1 की पावर 7 plus minus 7c1 into x plus 7c2 x square plus minus 7c3 x cube plus 7c4 x4 minus 7c5 x5. x5 तक जाएंगे, इसमें टर्म 7 तक आएंगे. Our requirement is up to x to find coefficient of x power in this expansion. We will multiply and expand it and pick up only x power 5 terms. Right? Now let's expand it and pick up x power 5. To pick up x power 5 on expansion, we will get this term will be multiplied by 2x power 0 to x power 5 value. This will come out to be negative. 6c0, 7c5. Negative sign. 6c2, 7c4. Right? X power positive. Now, on expansion and picking up only x power 5. We will get x power 5. 6 is 0. 6 is 0. 6 is 0 into 7c5. 7c5 with negative sign. Plus 6c1, 7c4 to the power 1. 6c1 और 7c4 ये पॉजिटिव आ गए. Alternate terms will be positive and negative. Plus minus 6c2, 7c3 to the power 2. Plus 6c3, 7c2 to the power 3. Plus 6c4, 7c1 ये माइनस टर्म हो जाएगी इंटू 2 की पावर 7c1 2 की पावर 4 प्लस 6c5 7c0 with positive sign 2 की पावर 5 and taking common x की power 5. This is x की power 5. This is common x की power 5. So coefficient of x on simplification, picking up multiplier of x power 5, that is coefficient of x power 5. We get first number. This comes out to be minus 21. Minus 21 plus 420 minus 210 plus 3360 minus 1680 plus 192. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On simplification, we get 3972 minus 3801. That is on simplification 171. Coefficient of x power 5. Coefficient of x power 5 equal to 127. That is the answer. Again repeating. Thing is that we have to pick up coefficient of x power 5 in this expansion. Means expand this up to the extent which are favorable. Favorable x to power 5. This x power 5, this x power 4, this x pick up, multiply and expand it. Expanding and we get this thing. On simplification, ये calculation मैंने आपके लिए छोड़ दिया. It is very simple calculation. Simple applying the formula NCR equal to factor n upon n minus r factorial into factorial r. Higher factor is to be reduced into lower one and cancel it out. Right? Next question. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE MAIN, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept clearing videos are very, very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video sessions are available on sethiswiftlearn YouTube channel, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, further, these
papers. Detailed solution with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, if A and B are distinct integers, prove that A minus B is a factor of A minus B की power n. Whenever n is a positive integer. Question is taken from Miscellaneous Exercise Chapter Binomial Theorem, NCERT. Concept applicable to solution. A plus B की power n, we will expand like this. Sum of powers of A and B is always equal to n. Now, proof. देखिए, A की power n can be written as A minus B plus B की power n. Considering this as A, this as B. On expansion, on expanding, A की power n equal to NC0, A की power n, that is A minus B की power n, B की power 0, plus NC1, A minus B की power n minus of B की power 1, plus NC2, A minus B की power n minus 2 B square, plus NC n minus 1, A minus B की power 1, B की power n minus 1, plus NC n B की power n, B की power n. Now rearranging इस टर्म को इधर लेंगे, A की पावर n माइनस B की पावर n फिर भी इक्वल टू, अब ये देखिए इसमें A माइनस B की टर्म है, इसमें A माइनस B की टर्म है, इसमें इसमें A माइनस B की टर्म है, एवरीवेयर इज A माइनस B टर्म. We can take common A minus B. NC0 A की पावर n minus 1 plus NC1 A की पावर A minus B की पावर n minus 2 B1 and so on. Right? Now, which is divisible by n, which is divisible by n whenever n is positive integer. Right? Question was A की power n minus B की power 1 divisible by A minus B, which is divisible by A n. Prove. Right? Next question. Question is, find n if the ratio of the fifth term from the beginning to the fifth term from end in the expansion 2 की power 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 3 की power 1 by 4 की power n is root 6:1. Question is taken from Miscellaneous Exercise Binomial Theorem NCERT. Concept applicable and solution. Concept applicable is this one. R's term from beginning in the expansion of A plus B की power n is equal to R's term from the end in the expansion of A plus B का इंटरचेंज कर दिया, B को A कर दिया, A को B कर दिया, तो क्या रहेगा? फिफ्थ टर्म फ्रॉम बिगनिंग, fifth term from beginning in the expansion 2 की पावर 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 3 की पावर 1 by 4 की पावर n. Ratio given is equal to fifth term from end in the expansion of 2 की पावर 1 by 4 plus 1 over 3 की पावर 1 by 4 power n is equal to fifth term from end, from beginning in 1 upon 3 की power 1 by 4 plus 2 की power 1 by 4. That is equal to root 6 is to 1. That is root 6 is to 1. Means to find the n is rth term from the end is equal to rth term from the end beginning if we interchange a and b. इसको हमने interchange कर दिया, right? Now to find the fifth term, T5 में क्या होगा? 45 r equal to 4 divided by 45 r equal to 4. In this case, a is 2 की power 1 by 4, b is 1 over 3 की power 1 by 4. In this case, a is 1 over 3 की power 1 by 4 and b is 2 की power 1 by 4, right? Now, on further simplification, we get NC4 a की power n minus 4, 2 की power 1 by 4 की power n minus 4, b की power 1 by 3 की power 1 by 4 power 4 upon NC4 3 की power 1 upon 3 की power n minus 4 की power 1 by 4 into 2 की power 1 by 4 की power 4, that is equal to root 6 is to 1. On further simplification, NC4 cancelled out, 2 की power n minus 4 by 4 into 1 upon 3 की power 3 divided by 1 upon 3 की power n minus 4 by 4 into 2 की power 1. That comes out to root 6 is to 1. On simplification, we get 2 उधर गया तो ये हो जाएगा 6 की पावर n minus 4 by 4 into 1 by 6 equal to root 6 is to 1. 1 by root 6 to 1. On simplification, 6 की power n minus 4 by 4 equal to 6 root 6. That is 6 into 6 की power 1 by 2. That is 6 की power 3 by 2. 6 की power n minus 4 by 4. Right? On comparing, n minus 4 by 4 equal to 3 by 2. 2n minus 8 equal to 12. 2n equal to 20. N equal to 10. N equal to 10 is the answer. Simple. Power formula is applicable there. Exponent formula is applicable. 2 की पावर इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया, ये 2 upon 1 तो ये 6 की पावर n by 4 हो गया, ये 6 बन गया, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, using binomial theorem, we have to expand it. 1 plus 2 by x minus x by 2 power 4. Right? Means we have to consider this is trinomial. Actually, it is trinomial. We have to consider it binomial. Binomial is sum of two terms. Means we have to regroup. Regroup means two terms is to be considered as single one, another one. Now, in this case, this is applicable. Question is 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x minus x by 2. X by 2 की power 4, x is not equal to 0. So we have to consider binomial. Regroup किया तो 1 minus x by 2 plus 2 by x. This is 4. इसको हमने a कंसिडर कर लिया, इसको हमने b कंसिडर कर लिया. On expansion, On expansion, we get 4c0 1 minus x by 2 की power 4 plus 4c1 1 minus x by 2 की power 3 into 2 by x plus 4c2 1 minus x by 2 की power 2 2 by x की power 2 plus 4c3 1 minus x by 2 की power 1 x by 2 की power 3 plus 4c4 x by 2 की power 4. These are the 5 terms. 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. On further expanding, इसको बाइनोमियल थ्योरम करके 5 टर्म्स आएंगी, इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, इसको ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन we'll get the final answer. In this case, I have given the concept how to solve it. Calculation is pending. You can do it very well, right?
Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.